Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Empress Jade from Wildling. Here we go. So gorgeous, so stunning, so beautiful. This facial gua sha tool is crafted in cooling white jade. It's designed to sculpt, lift, tone, and depuff the skin. On the box here it says, white jade cool, calms, and nourishes the skin. It is renowned for its ability to be a healing light, providing a sense of direction, calm, and serenity. There's also instructions on how to care for it. It says fragile, handle with care, to clean, wash with warm water and a skin-friendly soap. So that's it for today's video. I truly hope you guys enjoyed, and of course I will leave tutorials on how to use the Empress Jade in the description box down below, and I hope you guys have a great and safe day. Peace.